You compared the reviews. You read the specs, you picked the faucet with the highest star rating on the Home Depot plumbing wall, and you still brought home a product made by a company you've never heard of, in a factory you didn't know existed. Here's the detail that everyone missed. That plumbing aisle looks like a free market. Moen over here, Delta over there, Glacier Bay on the budget shelf, Pfister in the middle. Different boxes, different logos, different prices. But 4 corporations control almost everything you're looking at. And one of them, a Taiwanese manufacturer called Globe Union, is the invisible hand behind more of those faucets than anyone realizes. By the end of this video, you'll know which 4 parent companies own the aisle, the single factory where your cheap faucet and someone else's expensive faucet were both assembled, and the one spec that determines whether it lasts 3 years or 30. Start with Moen. Biggest residential faucet brand in North America, most trusted 10 years running. Owned by Fortune Brands Innovations out of Deerfield, Illinois. $2.6 billion in water segment sales in 2024. Fortune Brands doesn't just own Moen, they own House of Rohl, the luxury umbrella over Perrin Rowe, Riobel, Victoria plus Albert, and Shaws of Darwin. One company, Moen for the mid-range and every luxury British faucet brand your designer might recommend. Same parent. Same earnings call. And no, I'm not making that up. It's in the SEC filings. One shelf over. Delta. That's Masco Corporation. $4.9 billion in plumbing sales in 2024. Masco owns Delta, Brizo, which is their luxury line, Peerless, the builder-grade budget brand, Hansgrohe from Germany, and a parts company called BrassCraft that quietly supplies components to half the industry. 2 corporations covering most of the mid-range and all of the premium shelf. Pay attention to this next detail, because it explains everything. Pfister. You probably remember the jingle, the P-Fabulous Pfister. Feels American. It was, once, founded in Los Angeles in 1910. But since then, it's been sold 5 times. Black & Decker, Stanley Black & Decker, Spectrum Brands in 2012. And in 2023, the whole division got sold to Assa Abloy, a Swedish lock company, for $4.3 billion. PFST is now Swedish-owned, made in China and Mexico, sold as if it's still all-American. 5 owners in 35 years. That's not a brand, that's a timeshare. 3 parent corporations. Fortune Brands, Masco Assfly behind Moen, Delta, Brizo, Peerless, Pfister, Hansgrohe, and the entire House of Rohl portfolio. But the real story is the company whose name isn't on any box you've ever noticed. Globe Union Industrial, publicly traded in Taiwan, founded 1979. $580 million in annual revenue. They manufacture Glacier Bay, Home Depot's house brand. They own Gerber Plumbing. They folded Danze into Gerber. They make Pegasus for Home Depot. And their OEM customer list includes parts production for Delta, LK, Kraus, Toto, and Cooper & Graham, a premium brand that sells at significantly higher price points. All of it from one place, Globe Union's faucet plant in Dongguan, Guangdong, China. They moved there in 2023 after the Shenzhen government literally ran a road through their old factory. One building, Glacier Bay, for the budget shelf. Gerber for the plumber's supply house. Cooper & Graham for the design showroom. Different lines, different body materials, different finishes. Same roof, same workforce, same quality control. If you're wondering how that's even legal, it's completely standard. They just don't print it on the box. And this same trick, same factory, different sticker, plays out in every aisle. I broke down mowers, chainsaws, and generators the same way in the No BS Buyer's Vault. Scan the QR code on screen or check the link in the description and pinned comment. If you've made it this far, you already know this channel isn't here to tell you what to buy. It's here to show you what they hoped you'd never connect. Subscribe if you want this every week. Alright, so here's where it gets interesting. The question isn't whether these faucets share a factory. They do. The question is what actually changes between the $49 Glacier Bay and the $250 brand name. 3 things. The body. Moen or Delta at $200 is solid brass. Handles pressure, resists corrosion, lasts decades. Glacier Bay at $49 often uses zinc alloy, sometimes zinc over a polymer core. Zinc cracks in hard water and corrodes faster. Pick up both at the store. The weight difference tells you everything. The finish. Premium faucets use PVD coating, physical vapor deposition. Industry testing puts PVD at 2,500 to 3,000 Vickers hardness. Electroplated chrome on budget faucets lands around 5 to 700. 4 times softer. The brushed nickel on a cheap faucet shows scratches within a year. PVD looks the same in year 8. The warranty. Moen ships free replacement cartridges directly. Delta runs warranty through their own network. Glacier Bay goes through Home Depot's call center, and plumbers say those parts are hard to source. 6 different cartridge designs across one house brand, and the one you need might not be in stock. That's not a typo, by the way. 6 cartridge designs. But here's the part that should make you feel better. The ceramic disc cartridge, the part that actually controls the water, comes from the same third-party suppliers at every price tier. Sedeo out of Spain, Kirox out of Hungary, Kurstech in the US. Yes, the same Coors family that makes the beer makes ceramic faucet discs. A quality ceramic disc doesn't care if it ends up in a $49 Glacier Bay or a $400 Hansgrohe. The valve itself is not where the money goes. So here's what you do with this. Budget pick, rental, guest bath, anywhere you don't need a 15-year finish. Glacier Bay with a brass body works. Check the listing for body material. If it says solid brass, you're fine. Skip the zinc models. Mid-range pick. Pfister or Delta, 120 to 180. Brass construction, ceramic disc, decent warranty at half the top shelf price. Delta's parts supply chain through BrassCraft is the best in the business. Premium pick. Moen. Not because the engineering is dramatically different. It's not. But the lifetime warranty, nationwide parts, and cartridge standardization make it the easiest faucet to live with over 20 years. The 1222 and 1225 cartridges fit a massive range of their models. 1 cartridge, 1 phone call. Honest caveat. You're paying a brand premium, and a chunk of that faucet was made in Guangzhou before assembly in North Carolina. But the support network is genuinely domestic and responsive. You walked into this video thinking the plumbing aisle was 6 competing companies. It's 4 parent corporations, 1 Taiwanese ghost manufacturer, and a pricing structure built on you never flipping the box over. Now you know the map, you know the spec, brass versus zinc. And you know the ceramic disc inside doesn't care what logo is on the handle. Next time you're holding a $49 faucet in one hand and a $250 faucet in the other, check the weight. Check the body material. And remember, both of them were probably built on the same floor. In Dongguan, YouTube thinks you'll like one of these 2 videos. And honestly, it's probably right. Click the one that grabs you. And if you made it to the end, you already know what this channel does. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.